Guys, my lots YouTube subscribers are asking me to make a video on Twitter account. They are asking me that kind of video. That video will help them to recover their Twitter account. And if you are also searching that kind of video, you are in the right video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how can you recover your Twitter account using your recovery email address or recovery mobile number. So after watching this video, you don't have to watch any other videos to recover your Twitter account, and please watch this video until the last to recover your Twitter account, and you will get some informative knowledge and you will get some new concept to recover your Twitter account after watching this video. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Dipesh Rai, and if you are watching this video first time, do subscribe to be connected with me. And if you get some new informative knowledge, then please give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make more videos on this YouTube channel. And please tell me which part did you like from the entire video. Let me know in the comment sections. And please share this video to among the people who are searching this kind of videos. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So guys, now I'm going to show you my computer screen, and there will be some important things to recover your Twitter account. You have to follow all the steps if you want to recover your Twitter account, and after following all the steps only you will be able to recover your Twitter account. So guys, hoping that you will follow all the steps.
So guys, now I'm in my computer screen, and welcome back to my computer screen. So in this video I'm going to teach you how can you recover your Twitter account. So it's too much easy. First of all, you have to go inside twitter.com. This is the home page of my Twitter. So now you can see here, this is asking me phone, email or username, and it's asking me the password. So if I put my email ID and if I put some random password and if I click in the login, it's telling me that the email and password you entered did not match in our records. Please double check and try again. It's telling me like that. So how can you recover your Twitter account? It's too much simple. Using this method you can recover your Twitter account. So after this, you have to click in forgot password to recover your Twitter account, and it's telling me that find your Twitter account. So you have to put your email, phone number or username in this time. So I'm just using my Twitter account username and click in the search to recover your Twitter account. And it's giving me the two options. The first one is text a code to my phone ending in 17, and it's telling me that email a link to my email. It's giving me two options. So I'm just using the first method. So in this time I'm just clicking in the text a code to my phone ending. So I'm just clicking in the continue to recover my Twitter account. And it's telling me that enter code. We have texted a code to a phone number ending in 17. Once you receive the code, enter it below to reset your password. So I have already get a message from the Twitter, so I'm just checking that one inside my mobile. So just wait for a moment. Yeah, I got it. So I'm just using this one to recover my Twitter password. So I'm just clicking in the submit. So it's telling me that type your new password. So I'm just typing. So in this time I'm just using something here. Make it your password too much strong. Oh, it's telling me that it's not matching. So I'm again retyping this one. Okay, now my password has been matched. So after putting this password, just click in the submit button. Now it's again asking me, why did you change your password? There are three options available: forgot password, account may be accessed by someone else, and the third option is another reason. So I'm choosing the forgot password, but you can choose any option from these three options. So I'm just choosing the forgot password and clicking in the submit button to recover my Twitter account. Now you can see it's telling me that congratulations, you have successfully changed your password. It's mean I have already recovered my Twitter account and I have already reset my Twitter account. So after this, just click in the continue to Twitter. So this method can be also helpful if you have a recovery mobile number inside your Twitter account, and if you don't know how can you recover your how can you put your recovery mobile number, in that case just go to inside the more and click in the setting and privacy, and just now you can see here there is a login and security tab. Inside here you can see there is a username, phone, email and various things available. But if you want to set your recovery phone number and recovery email, in that case you can use this one. But in this time I'm not using because I have already used this kind of recovery email address and recovery mobile number. So let's move on to our second method. So now you can see this is the interface of twitter.com. Again I'm clicking in the forgot password. So it's again asking me my email or phone number, so I'm just using my username and clicking in the search. So now you can see here again it's giving me the two options. The first one is text a code to my phone number to recover your Twitter account, or email a link in particular email to recover my Twitter account. So in this time I'm just choosing the second option. So now I'm clicking in the email a link and clicking in the continue. So it's telling me that we have sent an email to a particular email link in the email to reset your password. So in this time I'm just going to inside my email and I'm checking my email here. So just wait for a moment. So now you can see here the Twitter sent me a password request link. So I'm just clicking here reset password. So just click here, and now you can see here it's again giving me the two options to recover my Twitter account. And again I'm using my new password here. Again I'm using my new password, and you can tick this one here also and just click in the submit button to reset your Twitter account. Now it's again asking me the three questions, and in this time I'm just choosing the forgot password, and you can choose the another reason also. But if you click here maybe you have to give some reason, but in this time it didn't ask me why you are resetting your Facebook password, Twitter password. So now I'm just clicking in the forgot password and clicking in the submit button to recover my Twitter account. So it's again me telling me that congratulations, you have successfully changed your Twitter password. Review your applications. Take a moment to review the application that has access to your account. Revoke those don't recognize or no longer for use. And if you want to review your application, just click here and click in this link. Now you will see the everything else, which kind of applications are using your Twitter account. Okay, so but in this time I'm just clicking the continue to Twitter. So I'm going to inside my Twitter account dashboard. So guys, this is a true method to recover your Twitter account. So hoping that you understand how can you recover your Twitter account. But guys, always remember you have to put your secure password because there are lots of hackers and scammers who are trying to access your Twitter account. Because nowadays social media is one of the best useful things in modern era, and if somebody get access inside your Twitter account, maybe there can be a important data. So that's why you have to put a secure password, and from here also you can turn on your two-step verification, and from the security you can make more secure your Twitter account. So I'm just clicking here, and from here two-factor authentication you can turn on this feature. And after here now you can see here there is a three option available: text message, and authentication apps, and security key. But I prefer to use the text message. So you can also use this method if you want to make more secure to your Twitter account.
So guys, hoping that after watching this video you get some new ideas to recover your Twitter account. And if you have still any kind of confusion to recover your Twitter account, let me know in the comment sections. I'll try to answer of your each questions if you have still any kind of confusion. And please tell me which part did you like from this entire video in the comment sections. I'll try to give reply of your comment. And if you get some informative knowledge from this video, please give me a like, and it will give me some motivation to make more videos on this YouTube channel, and share this video to among the people who are searching this kind of videos. And I'll come back with another video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.